Zo. Even zo snel en dan. En ik was wat sneller. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, here we have a fan which I found in the trash, and it is in pretty bad shape. When I found it, the blades were really stiff, they wouldn't turn. But if I turn it now, you can see it turns really easily. The problem was just simply bad oil. Now, I don't know how long this thing has been seized up, so if it's seized up and someone tried to run it, the motor might have burnt out and it might have developed a short or a open. So what I've done is I've connected it in series with a light. Now the fan is rated at 55 watts, as you may be able to see. Now I got this idea from American 5 Radio, who, when he tests old tube sets and things like that, he connects it in series with a light bulb, so if there is any electrical fault, it's all perfectly safe. Now he says it's a good idea to match the bulb with, match whatever you're testing with the same wattage bulb. This one is a 60 watt, so we have a pretty good match. Now if it's all working perfectly, the fan should run and the bulb should glow just a little bit. If the bulb glows at the full brightness when I turn this on, then there is a short, and if it doesn't run at all, something is wrong. So I'm now going to start the fan. Oh well, it is turning. There's a little tiny bit of glow coming from the bulb. So yeah, successfully fixed. I've just got to put it completely back together. Let's put the cover back on and the front plate here. There should be some kind of a... Hang on a minute. There should be a screw thread on the front of this, but it has gone missing. So I'm going to screw the grill on in some other way. I'm going to use some other screws for it. But yep, it seems to be working perfectly. Now let's just kick it up a notch and see. Okay, let's see if I can put this back together now. Okay, another reason for using the light and the fan in series is so I can measure how much power it's drawing. Now if I put this onto the 3 setting, you can see that the light is glowing. And if I release the blades and let the motor turn freely, you can now see that it almost goes out, because the motor is taking a lot less power now, so the there's a lot less power going through the circuit, so the light glows dimmer. When I have the fan on and hold the blades, the motor's taking all the power it can to try to turn the blades, so there's more power going through the circuit, which is why, obviously, why the light glows brighter. Okay, I've now put the grill back on. I found the little thread bit, but I don't have the nut that comes with it. It wasn't there when I picked this fan up. So the way I've attached the grill is I've taken a couple of screws and I've put a couple of holes into the front plate, and then simply screwed it on with these screws. Now I'll just put the fan blades back on. For some reason you have to turn this anti-clockwise to tighten it and clockwise to loosen it. That's the way with a lot of fans. So let's see if this runs and doesn't hit the grill. I don't have the front part of the grill. That wasn't there when I picked this up, so it's as complete as I'm ever going to be able to do it. And now here it is, connected directly to the power without the light. So it's running it's running at its full strength now. It's blowing this poster about quite a bit, as you can see. So I now got myself a new fan. Right. Oh, haven't started the deep recorder. Always important to start the deep recorder. Now, hang on a minute, isn't it? How well will the camera see the light? Another reason why I've used the light in series with the fan is so I can monitor how much. Nope, it's gone. Now and it says here, so it's not see the fan.